today we're here doing the UNICEF install. We're installing 36 panels on a 10 kilowatt Hawaii 3-phase inverter, which is about 14 kilowatts of solar. So we travelled down to the Waikato to do this install today. As you can see, it's a bit wet and cold outside, so we started off with the inside work. After discussing with the customer where he would like his inverter, we start the mounting process, and it takes a few hands to get it out and get it mounted onto the wall. The boys are jumping up in the roof space. Everyone put their hand up today because it was cold and raining outside, so that's always a first. Now I'm untangling a bird's nest and feeding the cables down to Jack so he can finish off the isolators. There's the boys on the roof, all safe and harnessed up. The boys prepping some panels, starting to get the feed and rail down. It's all go at the moment. And there we have it. On day 2, the installation is complete, looking nice and neat.